Oh my. Months before the first shot was fired, he was documenting the signs. Official Dutch reports were probably talking about tax revenues and troop movement. But Pio, the artist, was watching a person. He was watching the Prince de Ponegoro. He noted the prince's intense spiritual retreats, this deep meditative practice called the tapa. He saw the open disrespect that the Ponegoro showed for the Dutch resident, and he heard the intelligence, the rumors that were flying, that were the prince was using tax money to buy weapons, and that he had already moved his family out of the city and into safety. Pio saw this not as a series of political grievances, but as a human being preparing for a profound, life-altering conflict. From the Ponegoro's own writing, we know Pio was dead right. The Ponegoro saw himself as the just king, the Ratu Adil, destined to wage a holy war, a Perang Sabil, to cleanse Java of what he saw as the corrupting influence of the Europeans. Pio, he felt the spiritual gravity of it, something that the bureaucrats just couldn't measure. And the bureaucrats, this is where it becomes a